astTECS MCTel Mobile Cloud Telephony is a plug-and-play technology for domestic contact centers. The application works with Android smartphones. You can download the app from Play Store using the keyword MCTel. Once installed, you can log in with your registered credentials. Once logged in, user can select his campaign and then the campaign leads are available to the user. He can dial the number by clicking on the dial button. Once the call is hanged up, call descriptions can be added in the comments column. You have a very flexible and customizable disposition screen, with main disposition and optional multiple sub-dispositions. User also have options such as go on break, view his call logs, skip the lead, etc. Hey admin, we have surprises for you as well. We have an intelligent real-time screen, which displays your agent's status, campaign status, lead statistic, call statistics, etc. Admins have a lot of options to make their campaign up and running by using this user-friendly portal. Create users. Group users. Upload the leads to be dialed. Configure the dispositions and sub-dispositions. Campaign management. Another main attraction of MCTel is that its capability of generating call reports, agent reports, lead reports, call recordings, etc. This makes the contact center admin's job so easy.